Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you about this beautiful tiara, how to do this. I'm using my old hairband. I have some wires, also silver color and silver glitter as well, and we will use the hot glue. First of all, make these wires round, exact shape like the hairband by using any pot round shape like this. And then put them on the surface, any surface which will be smooth, easy to remove the hot glue. You can use the wax paper as well, but for me it's fine even the wood. Start to apply the hot glue in the center of the wire. I'm making a plus sign. You can make star, plus, or whatever you like. And while the hot glue is hot, you need to throw some silver glitter on top of this so it will stick. And even if while working the glitter will comes out, it doesn't matter. In the last you can apply some simple white glue on it, and then again you can apply the glitter, or you can simply use the glitter glue as well. Here I have prepared two wires like this. If you want the tiara to be short in height, you can use just one wire, or if you want it to be a little bit bigger, you can use the two or even three as you like. And then once the hot glue is cold, I will remove it from the wood by using knife or any scale or cutter like this. These are super sparkly and glittery, maybe because of my camera lightings and lightings around me. Maybe you cannot see the clear shining and glitter, but this is really sparkling. Now take your hairband and stick both sides of the wire with the band by using hot glue or super glue, or even you can use soft wires if it will not hurt behind the ears, but for me the hot glue or super glue is fine. Stick both sides like this. If you want, you can leave it like this one band, or if you like you can make it a little bit bigger like mine, or the other way is using the thread like this. I'm showing you the other option as well. Instead of using hot glue, just roll some thread, so it will be easy to apply the hot glue. Cut the extra thread, and then on top of this you can apply the glue, and it will be fine like this. Here, as I said before, if you feel the glitter is less, you can apply this glitter glue on top of this, or even white glue, and again you can throw some glitter on top of this. And again, I said because of my lighting, maybe because you don't see it proper sparkling and shiny, but of course glitter is always sparkling. And I hope you like the tutorial. More videos are coming soon. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Bye for now.